So ito yung last stop natin na Tomb of Leon, San of Cusa, Casal Alfarid. Yan siya. So doon na tayo sa medyo mainit na 8:31 o 8:21, alas 8:21 pa lang tayo pero napakainit na kung titingnan nyo. Shadow. Ayan siya. Tingnan ang gaganda ng mga ano nila. Nasa ano tayo? Hello, Merly Comendador, Roger Agrabao, Aubrey Rose Sahagon, Marjun Pasqua, Sheila Silaw de la Cruz. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Hegra, bali National Heritage to ng Saudi Arabia. Ayan. Ayan po yung last stop natin. So, kung di nyo pa po napanood yung part 1 itong live video kasi hininto ko muna dahil kailangan mag-charge. Ka-portable battery naman tayo. So, tuloy-tuloy po ang ating life. It's a memory. Napakaganda po ng lugar. And ang entrance fee po dito is 95 real. So kung mapapansin nyo itong tomb na to, talagang well polished yung carving niya, no? Sa front, unlike dun sa isa. Tingnan nyo. So, Casal Alfarid. Ayan po siya. Lion ba yun? Leon, San of Cusa. Tungtong na to. So ito po yung nandyan sa, pag sinerch nyo yung Hegra, ito po yata yung frontier niya. Ito ang unang-unang makikita nyo. Oh, ayan siya. Mapapansin niyo rin po tulad ng mga nakaraang ano natin, eagle pa rin yung naka-front sa kanya. Pero wala siyang ulo. Picture tayo. So, picture muna tayo. Ito siya. Ayan pa rin siya. Me too. Ipapapicture tayo.
Biggest eagle.
The biggest one in the area of Hegra. It's decorated differently from the other two
around Tigra with a 4 Nabati column. Yes, but unfortunately, it's never finished. And also, this is one of the reasons why we give it actually the unique. If you look to the third lower or the lower part of the facade, you are able to see like the marks of the chisel that they used to tomb. It's never finished. You're not able to see like the details of the gate that you see before. And also we see like those 3 blocks that lead us how they used to actually cut the stone at that time, and also tell us the method for the Nabatean, how they use actually to start the carving. They normally start from the top to the down, because at that time they never had actually enough wood that can support them.
Thank you.
So they took the mountain as like base for them, starting from the top to the down. And the sad thing also, Lahyan son of Khuza never buried in there. So yeah, that's why we call it big. It's empty. Maybe
Well,
he died far away from here. Maybe actually he ran away from the budget. We don't know what happened with him. We only actually know the tomb from him. That have his name, and actually the marks of the chisel that he used. The tomb that's never finished.
oh, that's why there's no head.
No Medusa, no Humbaba, no other faces. Okay. So far, do you have any question? Okay, I will give you like extra time in here because a lot of my visitors like this spot exactly. You can climb up there to the sand behind you if you like to reach the peaceful. So take your time.
Nasaan na yun? Excuse me. Can you take picture, please?
Sunset. Sorry, sunrise. Sorry, sunset.
I cannot go there.
Yeah, okay. Both will come there.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Nice. Hindi ko na naano yung ano.
All right, all together. So,
Okay.
guys, shall we take one
So,
photo? Group photo? Yeah,
ayan
please.
siya.
Group photo, please.
Ito yung... Di rin pala siya dito nilibing, si Leon San
Guys, all of you,
Kusa.
please.
O the Castle Al-Farid, local name. Kaya hindi siya tapos. Kung napansin nyo, dun sa baba ng eagle, wala siyang head. Di ba yung nakita natin last time, mayroon siya yung parang may snake both sides ng head. Ngayon sa kanya, wala. O tingnan nyo. Wala siya. So may group picture daw tayo. Ayan ang aming Red Sea Tours. At ang aking sintas. Ano na siya? Ayan o. Pinipicturean niya kami. So, ayan po. Of course! Please, this one also. Thank you.
Okay.
Ayan, naka-live tayo. Ayan. Ganyan yung, tinan niyo yung vlog.